And I measure with my heart. And then my slippers, shoes. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lynn. And it is currently 7:30 in the morning. I don't know if you noticed, but I am very late with this video. And I have a reason for that. It's just that the reason, not really a good one. I have decided, since this is my very first Vlogmas, I didn't properly prepare. I'm only going to be doing like a Vlogmas series instead of posting every day. That way I can get a hang of regularly editing, regularly filming, all that jazz. I'm no longer going to do like day 1, day 2, you know. I'm just going to cap on how many days I'm doing this month. So I think I'm going to go up to day 15. So my day is just episode, just so I can get a hang of it and get properly ready next year. I'm going to address the elephant in the room. I do wear glasses, but it's an old prescription, and since it's so early, I really didn't want to put in my contacts. The reason why I got up this early is so I can get some editing done, but I wanted to come in and say hello, good morning, and welcome to Vlogmas episode 3. Let's get this day started. First of all, this is my family's holiday cup that we use for this season. I have the mocktail sangria in it. So I got my Christmas cup. We are making chocolate covered strawberry brownies. So let's get baking. Okay, so we're gonna start with a bowl, and I'm gonna follow the recipe that's in this cookbook I've been collecting recipes for. The only thing different we're doing with this one is that we're adding the chocolate chips to it to make it chocolate covered strawberry. To make it more festive, I'm going to play some non-copyrighted Christmas music. We're going to do the one that says all-time Christmas songs. It claims it's not copyrighted YouTube, so don't come for me. I don't want it too loud so you guys can hear me. Alright, so 1 box of strawberry cake mix. And I'm using the Deacon Hines Perfectly Moist Strawberry Supreme Cake Mix. Oh, come on now. Don't smell like strawberry. I'll go put my hair up real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We're gonna need chocolate chips while I'm at it. 2 eggs. Got my lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant and it calls for milk. And powdered sugar. Okay, there's no powdered sugar. Hi, you. I think we don't have powdered sugar. Is it important? Oh! It's just for the glaze. We're not gonna do a glaze. Okay. So, technically I just need 1/3. Because we don't need the powdered sugar. That's for the glaze. We're not doing the glaze. So 1/3 cup vegetable. Alright. I'm gonna try to put things away as I go, so. Next. 2 eggs. can't with egg. I have to rinse it off as soon as it touches me. Alright. Now it's time to mix. So what do we mix it with? I assume a spoon, right? A rubber scraper? I think this will work. I like to bake, but I don't do it enough. It smells like strawberries now, though. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna cut this part. Kind of need to learn to talk more than just have clips. No better way to do that than just doing it, I guess. Oh, I should probably preheat the oven. I forgot to do that. 350. So now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. And I measure with my heart, because I like chocolate chips. That'll do. Now I'm gonna fold these in so every piece of brownie has chocolate. I think we're not gonna do the music anymore. I just remembered why I don't like Christmas music. It's annoying. No, that's my opinion. Not everybody agrees with me. I think this is about as mixed together as I'm gonna get it. Alright, I need a pan. Lined with parchment paper. Why don't I just put... I'm gonna just put baking spray on it. Now we put it in. Kinda has the texture of bubble gum. I think that's even enough. So now we're just waiting for the oven. Alright, so I'm gonna let that bake for 15 minutes and then come back and check on it. I'll see you soon. To show you guys my Christmas PJs. So I got my long sleeve shirt and then my Christmassy winter Eeyores. And then my Stickers shoes.